Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Glamm Britt with another video. So I know it's been such a long time since I've uploaded anything. I haven't even recorded anything, y'all. You know, last year was a year, but that's gone now. It is 2021 and I'm putting my foot down and I'm sticking to my goals because I am going to be monetized this freaking year. But anyways, I woke up early and I recorded, or I didn't record, I started this look and then I just decided, let me go ahead and record it so that I could put something on YouTube. It was pretty much just a simple like rainbow and then reverse rainbow look. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching and make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. That is GLAMMEDBRITT, Glamm Britt. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. So I just wanted to try to get a YouTube video in because I keep saying I'm gonna record one and I never do it. So alright, so I kind of already started. Like I said, I was up early doing my makeup, so I already started a little bit. But for this, all I did was literally like add the colors of the rainbow. So it's like pretty simple, nothing too crazy. And then I added this tape because I want, you know, my line or my liner like super sharp, you know. So I'm gonna take a Q-tip in my micellar water. Am I saying it right? Micellar, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna take it and then I'm gonna just clean up like my crease area, like where I'm gonna cut it. I like to do that just to like make sure that like no colors transfer. So yeah. Okay, so that actually went smoother than this eye. So maybe that's a good sign. So I'm gonna take I just use concealer to cut my crease. The one I've been using currently is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Buff. And I think I actually use lighter than this typically, but I ran out of the other one and I don't remember the color, but this is the one I have and it works, so I'll just use that one. So I'm gonna try to like stay in the frame or whatever and make sure that like my mirror isn't in the way, but you know, cutting the crease is real stressful, so we're gonna see. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. So we're gonna move on. If anybody needs help with like cutting their crease or anything, or you just like the way I do it, I do offer a class. The link is actually in my bio. on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn my tips and my tricks for how I cut my crease so sharply, then yeah, just make sure you sign up for that class. It is a one-on-one class, so you know, we'll get to be real hands-on if you need some extra help. So yeah, we're gonna move on, and I'm just gonna take this little brush and I'm gonna pat this product in because I want it to be nice and flat. All I did here was I used literally the same colors, just backwards. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that, and I'm gonna start with the smaller brush just because, like, you know, I have less area here. I don't want to use like a super big brush because I want to get that color just really packed in there. So so now to the hard part. One thing y'all gonna learn about me, if you don't know, liner is really hard for me. Like, I don't know, I can cut my crease like 3, 4, 5 times on my eye, but when it comes to drawing lines, it's just not it. So I ordered a whole bunch of these little liners from I think you say it's like Glamierre, whatever. But I swatched them last night and they are freaking amazing. So I'm gonna use that because I have been looking for, like, you know, colored liners for like a long time, and you know, I wasn't trying to like spend like too much, but I also wanted some good ones. So I found these and they are freaking amazing. So I'm in love. I'm sold on this brand's liners. I'm just gonna like this eye line over and then kind of come in. Okay, so that was so stressful. I had to turn off the camera. I can't with liner. I really try, but this is as good as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna leave it alone because every time I went in and tried to correct something, it just went downhill. You guys let me know like what kind of things you would like to see, or if you guys would like me to do a tutorial of some of the looks that I posted. I would definitely be down to do that. I'm just like getting back into YouTube, so I don't even know like what kind of videos I want to make, or like what I want to film and what I don't. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see. I have an eyebrow tutorial there, but I changed my routine, so if you guys want to see that, I will definitely record it. I want to you know, get back into YouTube because I started and then, you know, life happened and then COVID happened, and I just got out of it. But I really want to get monetized this year, so yeah, I'm starting early. I want to beat my goal that I have for myself and start making money. So we'll see. Man, ever since I started like applying my lash like this, they go on like that. So shout out to Beats by Deb. That's who I learned this technique from. She really put a girl on. All right, so I wish like, I don't know, I wish I was like a pro at liner, but like I said, I'm gonna just leave it alone.